Hello guys, in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can delete a listing from eBay, or how you can delete like multiple listings at once. This is going to be a quick and easy tutorial. Now first thing you need to do guys, you just need to click on my eBay in the top right and then click on selling. Now it's going to take you guys to this page. Now in the top here you will find multiple options. Here you want to click on listings and then click on active. Just move your mouse to listings and then click on active. Now when you click on active, you will be able to manage active listings here. Now to remove only one, you just need to search for it, and if you cannot find it, if you have a lot of listings, you want to search for it here in the search results. Here search by the title or the item number. Now when you find the listings, for example this one, you want to remove it, click on this small arrow next to it and then you will be able to find end listings. Okay, now just click on end listing and then you will be able to remove it. Now if you want to remove multiple listings, you want to check one by one, check this, or you can check all if you want. I want to remove, for example, these 3 listings. Click on edit in the top right, in the top left, I'm sorry, and then click on edit selected. Now when you click on edit selected, click on continue. Now after that you will be able to find the listings here. You want to check all of them here in the left here, check this, and then you want to click on remove listings, and after that you want to click on then click on done. You can remove like only 2 and then click on submit, and then you will be able to remove these listings from your own eBay store. Now if you have any questions guys, let me know in the comments. I try to reply to every single comment, so just let me know guys in the comments your questions and I will try to reply to you guys. Drop a like. I'm trying to hit like 2 likes on this tutorial. See you guys next tutorial.